another video of the axle. Hopefully this is the last one. If you remember from the short, I took the nut off here. Alright, let's see where we're at with this. 0.47. Tip. 0.48. Alright. This is an uncrushed one. Okay, apparently looks like I did crush it somewhat. This is the old one. Yes, there is width to the plastic bag itself, but you can see it went down to 4. So 4.4. I'm coming from 5. Okay, try this one more time with a. It says minimum torque to set preload is 140 foot-pounds. So let's try it. Oh yeah, not even close. Let's try. You gotta step on this. Not even close. I'm gonna try to go up to the other recommended, which is 200 foot-pounds. Maybe we'll do 170. It's not even registered. 192. 202 foot-pounds of torque. Here we go. Alright. I'm not really comfortable going any higher than 200 foot-pounds on this wrench, so I'm just gonna send it. Same thing as before. There's no way with this much in and out that this is set. So you just gotta keep sending it, right? I really feel like I'm doing something wrong here, but I trust the internet. Well, that sucks. Check first, right? Not even close. It bottoms out, but it's not enough. So I have about 5 inch-pounds of force required to turn this. It's not much. You need 16 for new bearings. I'm using my impact wrench, and it feels like it's bottoming out. So I think what might have happened is I might have tightened it up to the point where it's at the like no play whatsoever, and it's right up against the crush sleeve. So now I think any additional torque I put into it will crush the crush sleeve. However, I don't have another 1/2 inch drive breaker bar. So as you can see, I broke my 3/4 that had the 1/2 inch a little 1/2 inch converter part to it. So yeah, that happened. I'm gonna order the wrench, and I'm gonna try this again. I feel a little bit more hopeful this time, and hopefully we'll get this thing done. Alright, so I'm gonna check it again. Alright, I'll just try to get this done, so let's see. This might look off to you folks, but to me, from this angle, it's good. Alright, I got it reasonably close. It took a while. So I'm going to check pattern now with this, this amount. Really hoping that we're good on pattern. Alright, so on this side we're perfectly in the middle. Here we're pretty good too. do it. Alright, I will say this. The one thing that I'm disappointed in with the Foxbody Briggs kit is that it does not come with the caliper mounting bolts. I don't understand why a kit will not include all the hardware necessary to put it on. I get that, yes, you're supposed to have all your old stuff, but I don't know, it's just a little frustrating to me. But this is a good reason why you keep all your old stuff labeled, because this is a great way to do it. I just want to quantify my frustration a little bit. You'll notice that the instructions show this with like this beautiful hardware, but I'm stuck using my old crap. So that's kind of annoying to me. Yeah, this is frustrating. I didn't really want to have to do this. I was kind of hoping that it would have fresh hardware, and you know, that's on me because I didn't check, but I mean, come on. Really? How much are bolts? For what I paid for this kit, how much are the extra bolts? I also want to mention that this is in no way, shape, or form a slight against Foxbody Briggs. I just was hoping for everything I needed. And yeah, still a great kit, still great stuff. I'm going to try to find some washers to put on this because I don't really want to put these on without washers. But they're clean now, so let's use them. Alright, I don't have washers big enough, of course, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these on kind of loosely. Now also, if you're a better person than I am, you might want to think about just getting your old stuff zinc coated. It makes it look really good, it lasts a lot longer. Realized my phone ran out of space, but I rigged this up to do 20 foot-pounds of torque. And a little cross crank over here. So, set to go. Alright, so we got a Lubelocker. Goes on dry, it's reusable. What am I doing? Good. It's a metal base. This is metal. Use no RTV, use OEM or cover manufacturer torque spec, follow provided pattern. For installation instruction visit. Okay. We'll follow that pattern. This angle just does not do this justice. But I have no help to get this out of here right now. Oh wow, look at that. And just another quick walk around from this side. You got a bit of a problem where if you tighten these up, you actually tighten up against the so I'm gonna have to either add more washers or just trim off a little bit from those. I also didn't actually read the instructions, so let's check that. This is nothing's torqued down yet. This is all for mock-up and for display and for taking pictures. But yeah, we're home stretch. Lubelocker. Right, so we did it. I've aged probably 10 years in the amount of time it took to get that axle done. But it's done. Look, I got it as close to spec as I could. If it blows up, maybe we'll do a 9-inch. Maybe I'll just have somebody fix it. I don't know. But I did the best that I could, and I'm very proud of how it came out. Yeah, so thank you again for following along. This was a very long project. I think it came out of the car June of last year, and now it's middle of April of the following year. We had to wait for parts for quite a bit. A couple more things to torque down, but yeah, it's all mocked up. It looks great, and I can't wait to put it back into the car. But I do want to start working on other things because I'm so tired of working on this thing, and I'm sure if you're following along, you're pretty tired of seeing it too. So stay tuned, I suppose.